Welcome to our annual market review, the 2026 Skincare Benchmark. This video is an analytical guide to the top 20 global market leaders in efficacy and innovation. We are decoding the current market dynamics, focusing on the shift toward biotech synthetics and the longevity of the skin barrier. First, at number 1, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser remains the gold standard for non-disruptive cleansing. It retains its position as the barrier benchmark with its 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Number 2 is Tatcha the Rice Wash. This product exemplifies luxury texture synthesis and the 2026 trend of skintertainment textures, utilizing Okinawa rice bran and hyaluronic acid. Our third leader is La Roche-Posay Efficacy Duo Plus. It's the acne disruptor, utilizing microbiome science to target C. acnes, and remains a global pharmaceutical leader for corrective acne care. At number 4, Skinceuticals CE Ferulic is the gold standard serum. Its patented Duke antioxidant parameters ensure unrivaled environmental protection and skin brightness with highly stable formulation. The ordinary niacinamide 10% comes in at number 5. This product is key for ingredient transparency, democratizing high-potency actives for oil control and pore refinement. Number 6 is Paula's Choice 2% BHA, the exfoliation icon. Its non-abrasive approach to salicylic acid delivery remains unmatched for unclogging pores and brightening skin tone. Estee Lauder Night Repair, number 7, uses Chronolux Power Signal. It harnesses epigenetics to define the night repair category, focusing on cellular longevity. Number 8 is Drunk Elephant Proteini, a breakthrough protein moisturizer. It's a prime example of protein-peptide synergy, representing the biotech pillar by firming skin via biological signaling. Laneige Water Bank, at number 9, showcases Blue Hyaluronic Evolution. Its micro-sized hyaluronic acid provides 100-hour hydration, leading the market in fermented biohydration technology. Our 10th leader is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, known for climatological resilience. It remains the top choice for harsh environment barrier protection, utilizing glacial glycoprotein and olive-derived squalane. La Mer Crème de la Mer, number 11, features the Miracle Broth. It is the pinnacle of fermentation technology, soothing stressed skin and renewing energy through sea-sourced biotech. Sunday Riley Good Genes, number 12, leads in lactic acid efficacy. Its instant plump technology makes it the top-performing lactic acid serum in the premium market for 2026. Number 13 is Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Toner, focused on gentle pore refinement. This product drives the shift toward glass skin aesthetics through daily, non-irritating maintenance. EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46, number 14, is the professional SPF. Its formulation of zinc oxide and niacinamide remains the gold standard for daily protection for acne and rosacea-prone skin. Supergoop Unseen SPF 40, number 15, is the invisible frontier. This clear, weightless sunscreen eliminated white cast, revolutionizing the daily routine and doubling as a primer. At number 16, SK2 Treatment Essence continues the Pitera legacy. Over 90% Pitera, this essence focuses on crystal clear skin longevity, leading the essence category. Number 17, Skin Fix Barrier Plus Cream, represents lipid peptide clinicals. This product is a case study in the barrier-first movement, restoring essential lipids to treat the skin as a biological shield. Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum, number 18, is known for vine-based brightening. Viniferine is 62 times more effective than vitamin C, leading the clean tech segment. Number 19 is Dr. Jart Plus Cicapair, specializing in redness correction. Its color-correcting technology is the benchmark for instant redness reduction and sensitivity soothing, featuring tiger grass. Finally, Augustinus Beta Rich Cream, number 20, utilizes stem cell technology. Powered by TFC8, it represents the fusion of regenerative medicine and luxury retail. Thank you for joining the 2026 Skincare Strategy Briefing by Bioaesthetic Intelligence. For further analysis, please visit our website or contact us via email.